Okay, hello.
Hello.
My name is Jooan and
Jooan.
Hey.
So we're gonna talk about chapter 12-1 trigonometric functions in right triangles. Trigonometry is very important, especially for you who are doing calculus, because we are using a lot of trigonometric things in such topics. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, if you see here, trigonometric functions in right triangles. If theta, we call this theta, is the measure of an acute angle of a right triangle, then the following trigonometric functions involving the opposite side is OPP, the adjacent side ADJ, and the hypotenuse HYP are true. So, like simply, in any right triangle, the slant side, the little bit slant side is always the hypotenuse, and like here, like the one that is opposing the theta is always the opposite side, and the very nearest side with the theta is always the adjacent side. So you gotta know what adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse is. So here, if you see here, we are learning sine, cosine, tangent, and cosecant, secant, and cotangent. These 6 are very important in trigonometry. So let's talk about a very good thing which is called SOHCAHTOA. Okay. SOHCAHTOA. Write this down because this is very useful. SOHCAHTOA. So anybody knows what this? Okay, Dongi, what is this?
Yes, sine.
Yes.
Opposite. Hypotenuse.
What?
Hypotenuse. Okay.
Okay.
Cosine.
Yeah.
Adjacent.
Okay.
Hypotenuse.
Yeah.
Tangent. Opposite. Adjacent.
Oh. Okay, 90% right, because sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. So you gotta know what SOHCAHTOA is, and this is really useful when we are dealing with some kind of right triangles. So for example, here you see right here 3, 4, 5, right? And if you want to know what sine theta here is, then what is the opposite here? Hajun?
What?
Hajun, what is the opposite side here?
Opposite side of what? The triangle?
Theta, yeah.
Right. 4.
4, right? So 4 over and
5.
hypotenuse. So yeah, hypotenuse is 5. So 4 over 5 is the sine theta. Okay, and so on. Everything applies same here. And cosecant, secant, cotangent is pretty simple. It's all like just the reciprocal of the sine, cosine, and tangent. So cosecant is the reciprocal. So 1 over sine theta is cosecant theta. And 1 over cosine theta is secant theta. And 1 over tangent theta is what? What would
Cotangent.
be? Yeah, cotangent theta. Okay, so this is very important here. 1 over sine theta, 1 over cosine theta. It's all reciprocal of these. Those are reciprocals of these.